Good morning, children. This is part 3 video of chapter 2 Where Plants Live Adaptations class 4. The learning objective is features of terrestrial plant. In the previous video, we have covered only 2 categories. In this, we are going to complete the rest 4 categories of terrestrial plants. Yes, the first one was plants of plain area. Second, plants of desert area. Third, plants of mountain areas. Fourth, plants with heavy rainfall areas. Fifth, plants along sea coast. And the sixth is plants of marshy areas. Now, we have covered these 2 categories in the previous video. Now, we are going to cover these 4 categories. Yes, plants of mountain areas. As we can see here, the plants are very much tall, straight, and the shape is conical. Now, this shape helps the plant to bear cold weather and the snow get easily fall down from these trees. Example, maple, fir, devdar, pine, etc. You can see the needle-shaped leaves present on the leaves. These leaves also have waxy coating on them. Now, the shape of the leaves and the waxy coating on them, they reduce the water loss and they help the snow to slide down easily. Next is your plants of heavy rainfall area. Now, we call these plants as evergreen plants as they do not shed their leaves. Coconut, rubber, pineapple, cashew, sugarcane. These are the examples of your heavy rainfall area plants. Now, the plants along sea coast like your coconut and royal palm, you can see these are along sea coast, so they can bear the salty water of the oceans, and the shape of the leaves and the shape of the tree help them to stand in heavy rainfall and worst weather. These are coconut seeds. As it grows along the sea coast, the seeds fall down in the water and they get dispersed with the help of water. Last category is of plants of marshy areas. Now we can see here marshy areas has got clay soil, lot of mud is there, it is totally sticky. So the roots of the plant, they find it difficult to breathe. Now what they do, the plants have adapted themselves and the roots become aerial roots. Now what are aerial roots? We call breathing roots also. They come out of the mud surface to breathe. In clay, in mud, the air is not able to reach the roots. So the roots, in order to survive, they come out of the mud and take air. So these are known as mangroves. We can have the examples: sundari trees, cattails, sedges, papyrus, and sawgrass. So these were 4 categories which we were left with. So with this, our topic features of terrestrial plants is over. Thank you.